A truck driver was hauling a load of gasoline. "I can take care of myself," the driver said. "No matter what, I'll never run out of gas. If anyone else runs out of gas, that's too bad. They should have been more prepared." Just then, the gas truck got a flat tire. The driver didn't have any new tires. He was stuck. Another truck driver was hauling a load of tires. "I can take care of myself," the driver said. "If I ever get a flat tire, I can fix it right away. If anyone else gets a flat tire, that's too bad. They should have been more prepared." Just then, the tire truck came up to a log that had fallen in the road. The driver wasn't strong enough to move the log out of the way. He was stuck. Another truck driver was driving a crane truck. "I can take care of myself," the driver said. "No matter what, I'll always be able to lift heavy things. If anyone else needs to move something heavy, that's too bad. They should have been more prepared." Just then, the crane truck came up to a fire that had started in the road. The driver didn't have any water to put the fire out. She was stuck. Another truck driver was driving a fire truck. "I can take care of myself," the driver said. "If there's a fire close to me, I'll always be able to put it out. If anyone else needs me to put out a fire for them, that's too bad. They should have been more prepared." Just then, the fire truck ran out of gas. The driver didn't have any gas to put in the fire truck. He was stuck. All 4 trucks were stuck, and they sat there for a long time. But then, one of the drivers had an idea. He filled up a gas can with some of the gas from his truck. He walked past the other trucks and told them his idea. "If we all keep everything to ourselves, we are all going to keep getting stuck." "But I have a better idea," the driver said. "Let's all join together. We can all give whatever we have. And if we work together as one, we won't get stuck anymore." The other drivers thought it was a good idea. The driver gave gas to the fire truck. Then the fire truck put out the fire for the crane truck. Then the crane truck moved the log for the tire truck. And then the tire truck fixed the tire on the gas truck. After that, everywhere they went, they didn't work alone anymore. They were united as one.
I say unto you, be one. And if ye are not one, ye are not mine.
Did you know we create lesson plans and activity pages to go with our videos every week? They're made by a professional teacher just for kids.
Tell your teacher. Tell your mom.
They're on our website,
LatterdayKids.com.